Assalamu alaikum, saying you're bakhair, kaifa haluk. We get this in buongiorno. Alrighty, guys, it's 8 o'clock in the morning and it's Sunday, and we are going on a trip to basically we're going hiking, and it's somewhere nearby, but it's a 6-hour trip, and you guys are coming with me. Yeah, usually you see me like this. I'm trying to keep it like this because my manager said that. वैसे क्या देख रहा है कुत्ते? तो खैर, yeah, so I'm gonna meet you at the train station. From the train station, then we're going to actually me and my colleagues, we all are going, and you'll know. Alright, so this is the I'm getting near to the station, and I'm going to where it all started. Yeah. Say hi. Alright, I just got my ticket. Now we're gonna head off. There they are.
Hi.
Hello, ciao. This is the train? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically there are like hunters over here, and yeah, so just we're trying not to get shot, and that means you have to take a different route. Yeah, but still, we're on the path. They're doing their translating Italian and figuring things out in videos. This is basically the official path that we're going to supposed to be on. भाई अपने तो फट के चार हो गई है, ये साले रुक नहीं रहे, चल रहे 3 घंटे हो गए कुत्तों को चलते हुए। हिम्मत है भाई, तो हवा भी पतली है, ऊपर से पहाड़ भी, तब व्हाटएवर। Oh wow, this is my first time coming up a mountain like this. Never trekked before in my life, especially in this air. The air is pretty thin and it's cold, but I'm sweating like anything. And this guy, he keeps smiling at me. He's kind of mocking me. You're an amateur.
No, I'm not mocking.
Yeah, I see it in your eyes.
You have lots to smile about here, don't you?
Uh-huh. Finally, they decided to rest. And I'm resting. Yeah. Almost halfway there. Yeah. Okay. We're finally at the castle after 3 hours of trekking. And now it's I see spiders there.
Yeah, there's probably.
Are there rooms? They don't look rooms.
I think they
to defend the fort.
Ah,
from the
defense
horns,
positions.
or yes.
Yeah, I see the rifle area. That's smart. All right. More steps. Okay. I'll make a video of this. Ooh. Oh wow. Alright, so now we're going to explore the castle. Not a castle, but basically a ruin. Monte Verruca, I guess. Monte Verruca, right? Monte Verruca. Wow. Ooh, I like a place. Sori already went to the place. Oh wow. Oh shit. I'm not usually scared of heights, but this is too high. Whoa. That was Monte Verruca. Verruca, yeah. Sorry. See, going down is easier. Coming up is, yeah. I'm heavier, so I like going down. It's better. Vince is an all-rounder. अच्छा भाई तो ये मोटरवे ट्रैक भी है. These guys are doing their. It was a good experience. At least coming down is easier. Going up was hell, and we didn't stop. क्या बात. अना पे आ रही थी ना यार, ईगो पे आ रही थी, मैं नहीं कर सकते थे, सॉरी. और ये जिन के बच्चे. But good. I'm not used to the air, but you know, after I think 4 or 5 times, I'm going to be used to it. That was the place. Good place. अच्छा जी, नाज़रीन हम लोग वापस जा रहे हैं निच्चू, मगर इस बार दूसरे पहाड़ से. We're using another mountain, and we're going back down. And yeah. The view is amazing though. Amazing view.
This is the fort. We went this way, we followed this track, and now I want to follow this one to the
We're
road.
here, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
we came from here. I want to follow this one. And this is that one.
Okay.
I think this one is that one.
Alright.
Follow this one down to this road and then go back over this bridge to this train station.
अच्छा जी, तो alright, so what basically happened was we had to take another route because there were hunters there, and they were like, do you want to get shot or do you want to go back? We went like, okay, I mean, we have to go back. So we went back, then we went to another town, and now we're walking again to another station. I'm craving coffee right now, too much, and I'm bloody tired as well. Alright, bye. I need to buy an Italian suit. Yeah. So I've got a bucket list that I have to complete. A bucket list. You know, a checklist that you complete.
Okay.
So one of it is getting an Italian suit.
Ah.
Yeah, because I like Italian suits. Yep. Alrighty, so भाई सीन ये है कि हम लोग वापस आ गए. मेरे पैर में कट लगे हुए फिलहाल. I've got cuts on my feet because we walked around like around 22 kilometers uphill and then downhill and then sideways and everyways. So yeah, 22 kilometers, and I am tired as hell, bro. ये जिन के बच्चे मैन अपनी आउट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस है अपन ना भाई, सेट करना पड़ेगा. ये लोग जिन है यार, भैंस की टांग कैसे कर लेते. बहरहाल खैर, this was the vlog. It was in a beautiful place, El Bellissimo. Yeah, that means beautiful in Italian. Okay, so it was beautiful. बहुत अच्छी जगह थी. मज़ा भी आया. पैर कटा, टूटे, बर्बाद हुए, मगर मज़ा भी आया. So yeah, it was a really good experience. Got bruises, got cuts, tired as hell, but still it was an amazing experience. So yeah, I'm gonna go again. Yeah, this time I'm gonna go prepared because I didn't have the right shoes on to. Yeah, I'm an amateur, so this was my first time. So alright, so that's about it. Like, share, subscribe. Alright. Alright. Peace out. Ciao.